Hi, I'm Sarah Lillywhite, and I'm here to show you a great writing activity you can do with your kids during preschool. So for this module, we're learning all about language arts. And a great book to go along with that activity is If You Plant a Seed. So this week we're talking about farms, and we're specifically talking about plants that grow on farms. And this is such a cute little book. It stars this cute little rabbit who is just trying to plant some seeds for some delicious crops. And of course, other animals are very interested in these seeds. And it talks about how when he's selfish, the other animals are fight back and it becomes this big mess and all of the plants get destroyed. But when he shares with the other animals, everyone gets to eat the delicious crops that he has planted. And then the animals, which are birds, some of them are birds, help him plant more seeds for the next time. Super cute. As far as language, it's got some really great words in here like a heap, of trouble. Those might be different words for children to see, and selfishness, sorry, are great words to introduce into language arts. So you'll discuss this book with the kids and talk about how important it is to share our food with others. And maybe there's some other things that they can share in the classroom. And then we're going to move on to the language art activity, which I'm really excited about. I think this will be fun. It's called planting letters. So basically all you're going to need for this activity is a cup full of beans or any other seeds you have. Sunflower seeds are great. I just happen to have pinto beans on hand. They're the hard kind, not the canned kind. Some Play-Doh. Brown is preferable because it looks like dirt, but really any Play-Doh is just fine. And then a tray of some kind, or my go-to for anything preschool is these lovely paper plates. All right, so you're going to also have little letter cards for them to trace the letters with. And as a teacher, you'll pick up the card and you'll say, okay, we're going to plant this letter in our Play-Doh. You'll have the kids pick up a handful of beans and they'll practice just pushing these beans into the Play-Doh. And hopefully if they make somewhat of a letter, you can have great discussions with them about what does this letter sound like, what words start with this letter. And if they need extra help, it's totally fine because you can move these fun little things around however much you want and move on to the next letter and pick them all up once you're ready for the next letter, which the kids will really enjoy. And it helps those fine motor skills of picking it up, putting it back in, and doing another letter. Thanks for watching.